Hello, my name is Oscar Bahati. Welcome in this presentation. Today I'm going to talk about what do you mean by mood board. So you can ask yourself, what do you mean by mood board? Mood board is a collection or a document that contains different colors that are conveying specific messages. You can ask yourself, how is it important to use a mood board? A mood board can be used in advertisement or marketing a specific product. Here I have chosen to use a mood board really because I want to advertise different products from Acme Widget, which are generation. The generation are the toys. Here we are having different types of toys. We are having like multi-purpose. Within the multi-purpose, we are having different types of colors. For example, we are having blue, we are having yellow and pink. You can ask yourself, what kind of color of a toy can I buy for my son or my girl or my daughter? Here, if for example you have a boy, you can choose to buy a toy that has blue color. Or if you have a girl, you can choose to buy a toy that has a pink color. Really, they can enjoy because of having different color. Also, having another type of toy which is different. Here, if you buy this kind of toy, it can help your kid to make amusement. Something that is impressive is to buy a toy that is similar to a music, like keyboard. You can see here a keyboard that can help your kid to learn how to play music. Also, we are having a dog. If, for example, you buy a kind of a type of toy that is similar to a dog, you can help your kid to care about a dog. Here, there is something that is really very interesting, something which is an aircraft. You can ask yourself, why can I buy for my kid a toy that is really similar to an aircraft? Really, if you need to buy a kind of toy, you should really know how even your kid can learn through using that toy. Also, having another that can help your kid to move from one area to another. Also, you're having another, this is similar to a vehicle, a car. Also, you're having other different types of cars. You can ask yourself, why did I choose different colors of different toys? I've selected this kind of toys because I want really to attract more customers and help the customers have a different or specific or different toys so that they can choose according to their tastes. Thank you for your kind attention.